Here's the top 5 terrifying bird sounds in the world. The last one sounds like crying baby. But first, you'll have amazing luck all week if you like and subscribe to my channel until this video ends. Number 1, shoebill stork. Its bone-chilling bill clatter sound, like a machine gun echoing through the swamps. Number 2, screaming piha. The loudest bird in the rainforest. Its sharp, haunting scream cuts through the jungle like a siren. Number 3, lyrebird. The ultimate mimic, it can copy chainsaws, alarms, and even a crying baby, pure nightmare fuel.